Today I'm going to talk to you about a special type of law. It's an administrative law court called the Division of Workers' Compensation. Now, I built my practice, Cantor Injury Law, primarily on personal injury civil cases, but for 30 years I've been fighting and winning Missouri workers' compensation cases in both St. Louis as well as Southern Illinois and now in Columbia, Missouri. And you've seen our signs about town for Cantor Injury Law, car accidents. But today I want to talk to you about workers' compensation. Workers' compensation in Missouri and in most states is a conspiracy. It's large employers and large insurers combining with the government to not pay you after a work injury. Workers' compensation is based on what I call a meat chart. It's a chart of disability, and it's based on 2/3 of your average weekly wage. So if you get your arm cut off at your shoulder's worth 232 weeks of pay. You're getting 232 weeks of pay at 2/3 of your wages. That eliminates all money for pain and suffering. So you don't get any money for the hurt, for the harm. It's not like a trucking case where I could get you tens of millions of dollars, or a car accident case, or even a fall case. There's no pain and suffering in Missouri workers' compensation or in Illinois workers' compensation because of this conspiracy. Workers' compensation owes you 3 benefits. In Missouri, the employer gets to choose the doctors, and then they pay for the medical. So the first benefit is 100% of your authorized medical care. And that's a conspiracy too, because the insurance companies pick the defense doctors who will say you don't have an injury, but then do the surgery and make their money and say you have 0 disability. But that's a whole other thing. So the first benefit is medical. The second benefit is 2/3 of your wages while you're off of work. And the last benefit is a lump sum payment for permanent and partial disability. And that's where we, as your attorneys, earn our fee. So we only take 25% of the lump sum. I can lecture you on this for hours, and I've been asked to speak and do speak to other lawyers at continuing legal education classes, but I'm going to keep it short. If you have a serious, real work injury, please call Cantor Injury Law at 314-628-9999, and I will guide you through the process on how to ethically and morally win in this bankrupt system that is already stacked against you. Thanks for watching.